Okay, so pretending here that we've actually got a concrete step and we've also got a carpet tile and the steps are inside and we're going to put carpet tiles down the steps. Now this is a stair nosing that are now being used, and that is designed especially for carpet tiles. As you can see, it's actually got a rebate at the front, and this one's particularly good because it actually has a very long rebate. And basically, essentially, when you do your carpet tiles on your stairs, you actually install it like so. And at the back, it also has a rebate, as you can see as I move the camera around, and that allows for the carpet tile to tuck neatly in there. And having a very solid profile underneath just aids sort of stability of the actual stair nosing. But there is an issue here, and I'm pretty sure that you'll pick it up straight away, and that is that it is clearly non-compliant. So you've got black carpet tiles, black cover under the insert, and the face of it is black. Okay, so back to our concrete step, alright, and yes, we've got the rebate there, but we're going to actually put in carpet tiles that will comply. So in this case, we have blue carpet tiles which are fitted at the rebate at the back, and we're just going to slide our blue carpet tiles in at the front. Now, clearly on the face of the riser. So definitely there's a 30% contrast between the actual colour of the riser, or in this case the blue carpet tile, and on the tread of the step, again you've got the blue carpet tile, which is 30% contrast to the black insert.